Go get the car. Hi. Show us how you crawl. Go get the car. No, not gonna crawl now.
I got some cash, Mom.
What do you have?
I got some cash.
Some cash? I think you have cheese. Show me. Come show me your cash. Show me on the camera. Hi, Henry.
He's doing. He's moving.
I know. He thinks he's gonna stand up.
I think he's moving. Yes, thanks, he's moving.
He is moving. He's crawling. He's doing a good job.
He's going that way.
He's going that way?
Wait,
He's thinking he wants to climb the
I
steps.
see him. He's going that way.
Mm-hmm. Tell, hi, Henry.
I like him. His ear there.
Yeah.
On the floor.
Yeah, I know. He erped on the floor. We cleaned it up. Mommy cleaned it.
How do you clean it? Burn it.
What do you have in your hand, mister?
It is called cash.
It's called cash. I think it's cheese. Come show me.
It's cash.
It's cash.